10th standard subject English. Topic is 2.5 Book Review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Question number A1. State whether you agree and disagree with the following statement. Number 1. Swami is a close mouthed little kid. Answer disagree. Number 2. Swami hated mathematics wars. Answer agree. Number 3. No event or parts of the story are mentioned in this book review. Answer is agree. Number 4. Mischievous. This was the most striking quality of 10-year-old Swami. Answer agree. Question number A2. Describe Swami's characteristics in 3-4 sentences. Answer is Swami is a mischievous and talkative little kid. Answer Swami is mischievous and talkative little kid of about 10 years old. He cannot stay at one place. He hates going to school, hates mathematics, even worse, school is a frightening and unpleasant experience for him. He always gets into trouble and a good beating from his father. All he wants to do is play under the sun, kick something, climb a tree, break or damage something, and harass trouble somebody. This is a typical life of the kid. Question number A3. Underline the adman. Answer are directly given and underlined. Number 1. Mentioning, happening, everything, facing. तो हमें everything को underline करना है. Number 2. Mischievous, truth, talkative, typical. ट्रूथ को अंडरलाइन करना है. नंबर 3. गिव, मेंशन, स्टे, लाइफ. लाइफ को अंडरलाइन करना है. नंबर 4. कॉन्स्टेंटली, एब्सोल्युटली, लवली, डीपली. लवली को हम अंडरलाइन करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर A4. फ्रेम WH questions to get the underlined pairs as answered. Number 1. Narayan gets deeply into the working of Swami's mind. Answer. How does Narayan get into working of Swami's mind? इसका ये आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. दैट्स द मैजिक ऑफ नारायण. इसका आंसर होगा हुज मैजिक इज दैट. क्वेश्चन टैग. ठीक है. WH क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन टैग यहाँ पे लगेगा. Question number A5. Do you think that even today most of our kids like to live the life Swami was living? इसका आंसर देखेंगे. Yes, I definitely think so. It is the natural instinct of most of the kids to play, to make fun, to play mischiefs and enjoy the life like Swami. They try to avoid going to school under some pretext and dislike to learn some particular subject. They are often get beaten for their naughtiness, mistakes, and their mischievous deeds. They do anything that come to their mind unintentionally. Now टॉपिक इज 2.6 देखेंगे हम. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट से 10th क्लास की 2.6 टॉपिक है हमारा वर्ल्ड्स हेरिटेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 नेम ए से 1 देखेंगे। ए क्वेश्चन नंबर ए का 1 नेम द फॉलोइंग आंसर आर डायरेक्टली गिवन अंडरलाइन में, ठीक है, गिवन एंड अंडरलाइन। देखो यहाँ पर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द Question number 1 the country where Mount Hongshan is situated in China. Number 2 the famous dam in Egypt or on river Nile Anwan High Dam. Question number 3 the International World Heritage Program is administered by the UNESCO World. Number 4 the Nile Valley contain many ancient Egyptian artifact. Question number A का 2 complete the web. The significant aspects required for a World Heritage Site. Number 1, it should have a cultural or natural importance to humanity. Number 2, इसका देखो point number 2, the place should include forests, lakes, monuments, building and cities. Question number A का 3 find from the passage adjective forms for the following. Number 1 culture, answer is cultural. Number 2 हिस्ट्री का आंसर होगा हिस्ट्रिकल. नेचर का नेचुरल. सिग्निफिकेंस या सिग्निफिकेंट. Question number 2 write the long form of UNESCO. Answer is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Question number 4 rewrite the following sentence using not only but also and as well as two separated sentence. बच्चों हमें 2 सेंटेंस में क्या यूज़ करना है, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो और एज वेल एज. ये जो सेंटेंसेस है मतलब ये जो वर्ड्स है वो हमें इस सेंटेंस में यूज़ करना है. इसका देखो क्वेश्चन ए UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. आंसर है not only UNESCO, not only UNESCO but also the International Council on Monuments initiated draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. इसका आंसर है UNESCO as well as the International Council on Monument initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. तो यहाँ पर नीचे not only but also भी हमने यूज़ किए, as well as का भी हमने क्या किया आंसर लिख दिए हैं. अभी बी वाला देखो क्वेश्चन. वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स कैन बी a combination of both cultural and natural areas. Answer देखो, वर्ल्ड्स हेरिटेज साइट्स कैन बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नॉट ओनली कल्चरल बट ऑल्सो नेचुरल एरियाज. ठीक है. और सी का देखो, टू प्रोटेक्ट द टेम्पल एंड आर्टिफैक्ट्स, यूनेस्को launched an international camping camping. Okay, answer is to protect not only the temples but also artifacts. UNESCO launched an international camping. इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर देखो, टू प्रोटेक्ट द टेम्पल्स एज वेल एज आर्टिफैक्ट्स, यूनेस्को launched an international camping. Question number A का 5. What are our duties toward preservation of any historical site? आंसर है historical sites like forts, monument places, etc. are our national heritage. They have stood all the vagaries of time and weather and are on the brink of losing their splendor. It is our duty to preserve them carefully. When you visit these places, don't spoil their beauty and grandeur by scratching, writing, and carving names and making them look ugly and dirty. We must renovate them with the help of the residents in the area or NGOs. We should pray, pressure and insist the government to take complete responsibility of preserving them as their foremost duty.